Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to see how to open student login on tableau.com, which will help you to get Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep Builder. Click on Get Tableau for free. Here you need to fill some details. Okay. So, for full-time student at accredited credit-bearing academic institutions, you can get a 1 year free license activation key for Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep. So here you must have your college email ID and its valid password with you. Okay. So here you need to fill some legal details like your first name, last name, school issued email address, then confirm your school issued email address, then date of birth, day, year, country, India or whatever country, applicable country you need to write here. Then fill the valid school information, country or region, school name, anticipated graduation year. So if you are pursuing degree for 4 years, so write down your probable completion year. If you are pursuing for 2 years post-graduation degree, MBA or anything, so write down that degree accordingly or year of completion. Okay, so here anticipated graduation year, month and year you need to specify, and you will be using Tableau license for either you can choose learning on own or learning as a part of course. So select learning as a part of course. Okay, and after that you need to click on verify student status. Clear? So after clicking on this verify student status, you will be getting an option or you will be getting a button where Tableau will ask you to log in for your college account. Okay, so at that time, while getting sign in option, you need to put your college official email ID and you need to give the password, and after entering the correct password, okay, your verification part is done. If you are failed to put correct password or correct email ID, then Tableau will ask you to upload few more supporting documents. So those supporting documents can be your college email ID, college photo ID card, or your enrollment letter. So you will be getting all the information on your email ID to upload the documents, or if it is you are failed to do so, then here only you can get the option of the same. Okay, so after completion of your verification, you will be getting an email from Tableau, okay, for which specifies your product key. Okay, so let me tell you the next part of how we can go ahead with the downloading and installation of Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep, and how to enter the license key and can get access of 1 year. Okay. So after completion of the process, you will be getting an email like this: your Tableau Desktop product key is enclosed. So here you will be getting a message and you will be getting links to download Tableau Desktop and download Tableau Prep, and along with that you will be getting a product key. Okay, so we need to enter that product key after completion of the installation of Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep. So to do so, we'll be going to open this particular link of Tableau desktop. Okay, so let us follow the process of how to do or how to install the Tableau desktop. So for the same, we'll be doing some login. So to download Tableau desktop, you need to log into the tableau.com. You need to fill some details, and then when you will be logging to the Tableau desktop, you will be tableau.com, you will be getting an option to download the Tableau desktop. Okay. So here, if you can see, you will be getting Tableau desktop download. View the current version. So what is the current version is to 2024.3.3. So 2024.3.3 is the current version. Okay, so this is the current version of Tableau. Click here. You will be getting this option of Tableau desktop 64-bit 2024-3-3.exe. Okay, so I have already a registered member of tableau.com, so that's why I'll be getting this option. If you are not a registered member of the tableau.com, they will ask you to log in. So I'll be showing you how to log in. Go to the link, current version, and here you need to create an account. First name, last name, your first name and last name. Business email ID, it should be the exactly same that you have provided for your while you are registering as a student. Organization is your college name. Company size, so specify appropriate company size. Here you will be getting the options. Okay, so specify the appropriate company size. Department, so whatever is your department, if you are from engineering background or from finance background, human resource background, IT background. Okay, so provide the department, appropriate department, and job role is student. Country, specify the country from which you belongs to, and then specify your correct phone number. Okay, so after registering this, you need to confirm, or you will be getting an email for confirmation. Okay, so you need to open that email and activate your account. Okay, so I'll be showing you the format of email, how you will be getting. So this is an email you will be getting to activate your account. So you need to click on this link and it will redirect you to the tableau.com page where you can set up your password. Okay, so that password you can use when you will be logging to the tableau.com and to download your Tableau desktop exe file. Okay, so here as I already have login, so I'll be logging in, and here I need to sign in with my email ID and my password. So whatever is my email ID, that I'll be writing here, and then I'll be writing my password. Okay, now if you can see, I have this Tableau desktop. Go to the download. Here I'll be getting this option to download. You need to click here and you can able to download your Tableau 64-bit exe file. Okay, so after downloading this, you need to go to the folder, downloads folder, and find out the Tableau desktop downloaded exe file. So double click on this and you can able to install the Tableau desktop. Okay, so Tableau desktop is different than Tableau public. Okay, so it is a licensed product. So here you need to read all the license, accept it. Okay, don't send product usage data, click option and go for the install. Okay, give the access permission, user control, yes. So it will take couple of minutes for installation. So you can see this progress bar. So progress bar helps you to identify that how much progress is pending. So it depends on your internet speed also. Okay, so Tableau desktop is installed now. So you can see. So Tableau is getting, so it's started. Fine. So after installation of Tableau desktop, we'll be getting this kind of screen. Okay. Now we need to go for the manage key. Here you need to go. Okay, you need to go to the help, manage key, and click on activate. Okay. So after clicking on the activate with a product key. So all of you have received the product key. So you need to select this option of activate a product key, and here you need to put the product key which you have received. I have already entered my product key, so I am unable to enter it again here, and then click on this activate option. So you will get a product key activation, so which is valid for another 1 year. Okay. So if you can see, in my case, here it has been mentioned the product key is activated. Okay. And it has been valid till 2026. Okay. So this is about installation of Tableau desktop. Okay. So in a similar fashion, if I wanted to install Tableau Prep, okay, so here in the same login, okay, by using same login, okay, so I can get the link through my email, so that I have received earlier. Okay, and find out Tableau Prep. Okay, so login, you need to log in for the same, view the current version of Tableau Prep, download that current version. Okay, it's getting downloaded. So it will take some time to download that version, and in a similar fashion you need to perform the installation. And the product key is, you have already activated the product key because both the product key is same. Okay, so the Prep and the Tableau desktop, where both versions are available now for your use. Okay, so in the next session we'll be going to learn how to use Tableau desktop to perform data visualization and get the insights, and we'll be going to learn how to use Tableau Prep to perform the data pre-processing, because in Tableau we have Tableau desktop is for getting the insights and performing the data visualization or to creating interactive dashboards, and Tableau Prep is to perform detailed data pre-processing. Thank you.